everybody, and welcome to another episode of Maintenance Tips and Tricks with Rock Attack AK-47. Today we have a drain that when the other maintenance men tried to pull it out, it got plugged up in there because it corroded. We use these drains that have the little screw in. So what we're going to have to replace is this whole piece here, right there. So what you need to have yourself a pair of channel locks, an extractor, that's what the extractor looks like, and get yourself some plumber's putty. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get that old one out of there. So what you do is you take your extractor, stick it down in there like that, tighten this nut. It actually goes left to tighten until it's nice and snug in there. And then what you want to do, take your channel locks. This is kind of tough doing it one-handed. Just start turning that nut. There you've seen it move. Not the whole thing is going to move out. And eventually you can get to a point, not yet, but you can get to a point where you can just get it out with your fingers. Still not yet. This one was pretty corroded in there too, so. And then once you get it, this whole drain here pops up. Now, there's going to be two gaskets, one on top, then there's one right here that goes in between your drain pipe and your bathtub. So I'll go ahead and open that other one. When you get your other one out of the package, you just want to go ahead and unscrew this piece here. Sorry for this. So you get that piece unscrewed from there. You got your hole. I really don't like using those gaskets, so I'll put the new gasket in there. And then what you want to do is you want to roll yourself out some plumber's putty. And you're going to take your plumber's putty and you want to roll it into a ball. Or not a ball, just like Play-Doh. And up at the top, you want to make sure it goes all the way around. This is kind of the crucial part here. You want to make it all the way around and make sure it's halfway thick. Because if your gaskets fail, this is going to be the only thing that keeps you from having a disastrous leak. Get that down in there. And just go ahead and tighten it as much as you can hand tight. And was the best way to get these to go back down. Get yourself a pair of channel locks. And as you see, as it goes down, the plumber's putty will spread out. And I'll show you how to clean that up when you're done. You want to make sure you get that as tight as you possibly can. And then just come back with your fingers. Get that plumber's putty out of there. But you want to make sure that that black gasket's pretty well pushed down. Then the only step past that is take your plug here. It just screws right in there. So when they want to close, push down. When they want to open, right where it says open, you just push it. We'll make sure this holds water. And we're done with this adventure. It only takes a limited amount of tools. test it, make sure that this drain. You want to look for a little bit of a vortex around it. And that's draining great. Perfect. Clean up our mess. And that was another maintenance tips and tricks from your host, Rock Attack AK-47. Thank you.